प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः. Everybody keep
नमो नमः महोदय.
नमो नमः. Everybody please mute whenever you are required to speak, then only unmute. Otherwise there will be a lot of noise and अस्तु. वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा. ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. अद्य वयं पुनरेकवारं पुल्लिङ्गशब्दान् पश्यामः. Let us once again revise Pullinga Shabdas and then go to the next one. Can you all see the screen? One by one, please answer. AL iti kaha? AL. Who is AL? I don't know the name. It is shown as AL.
Namaste, Madam Haripriya ji. Azhagappan Kanaka Sabhapati.
Okay, okay, okay.
At work I go by AL. Sorry, I changed.
No problem.
Yeshah Balakah. एषः कृषकः. सः कुक्कुटः. सः मयूरः. एषः आसन्दः. सः स्यूतः. एषः सुधाखण्डः. चषकः. सः दीपः. एषः चमसः. सः दीपः. एषः नर्तकः. सः शिक्षकः. सः पाचकः. एषः वैद्यः. सः धीवरः. सः व्याघ्रः. एषः शुकः. एषः पर्वतः. एषः कपिलः.
कपिलः नास्ति. मर्कटः वानरः अथवा कपिः.
मर्कटः. अस्तु. मर्कटः वानरः. एषः अश्वः. एषः शशकः. एषः कपोतः. सः गजः. एषः बिडालः. सः वृद्धः. सः काकः. एषः चित्रपतङ्गः.
अस्तु. इदानीं
धन्यवादः।
सम्यक् महोदय। इदानीं वयं स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दान् पश्यामः। अरुण् महोदय, सा स्त्रीलिङ्गे एषा सा, एषा इस् नियर्, सा इस् फार्।
सा
एषा सा,
शा
सा द्विचक्रिका, टू व्हीलर।
सा
द्विचक्रिका,
द्विचक्रिका
द्विचक्रिका,
सा द्विचक्रिका
द्विचक्रिका,
चक्रिका
चक्रम, चक्रम इज व्हील,
ओके
चक्रिका।
सा द्विचक्रिका
एषा बालिका,
एषः बालिकः
बालिका,
बालिका
सा
एषा
इत्युक्ते
बालिका
सा इत्युक्ते फार् अवे, एषा इस्
सा एषा
सा एषा। सा उत्पीठिका,
सा पीठिका
उत्पीठिका। श्रूयते वा महोदय? कैन यू हियर मी?
We can hear you.
हाँ, ओके, अस्तु। हाँ, नेक्स्ट दिव्या, दिव्या महोदय। हाँ, सा उत्पीठिका,
सा उत्पीठिका,
एषा
एषा
दिनदर्शिका।
दिनदर्शिका।
What is this? दिनदर्शिका, कैलेंडर। हाँ, सा जवनिका,
सा जवनिका।
What is जवनिका?
स्क्रीन कर्टन।
कर्टन। मानवी, मानवी महोदय। हाँ, मानवी महोदय, प्लीज अनम्यूट।
नमस्ते।
हाँ, नमस्ते। सा जवनिका,
सा जनविका,
जवनिका, जवनिका।
जवनिका।
हाँ, एषा स्थालिका,
एषा स्थालिका,
स्थालिका, प्लेट। एषा स्थालिका,
एषा स्थालिका।
स्थ, दट, थ प्रोनंसिएशन। हाँ, स्थालिका। एषा नौका, बोट।
एषा नौका,
नौका। सा गायिका,
सा गायिका।
हू इज शी? शी इज अ
सिंगर।
सिंगर। अस्तु। माधवी महोदय। माधवी महोदय,
सा गायिका,
सा गायिका। एषा
एषा वृद्धा,
एषा वृद्धा। सा
सा पाचिका,
कुक, फीमेल कुक। सा पाचिका।
पाचिका।
सा
सा शिक्षिका,
शिक्षिका, टीचर। एषा बालिका।
बालिका।
हाँ, निर्मल, निर्मल संचेति। प्लीज अनम्यूट। हाँ, एषा बालिका,
एषा बालिका। सा
सा वैद्या, शी इज अ डॉक्टर। हाँ, एषा
कुञ्चिका।
कुञ्चिका। व्हाट इज कुञ्चिका? की। एषा कुञ्चिका। व्हाट डू यू कॉल लॉक? लॉक इज पुल्लिंग।
ताल,
हाँ,
ताल,
तालः।
तालः।
तालः इज पुल्लिंगः, पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः
Okay.
कुञ्चिका स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः की इस् फेमिनैन् एषा रङ्गवल्ली एषा रङ्गवल्ली
What is Rangavalli?
रंगोली डिजाइन
Or Rangoli? Okay. Okay.
नेक्स्ट सोनल
नमस्ते
हाँ नमस्ते हाँ एषा
एषा रङ्गवल्ली
एषा
एषा-
कर्मकरी
एषा कर्मकरी वर्कर
वर्क हाँ सा पिपीलिका
सा पिपीलिका and
ant पिपीलिका ant is
पिपीलिका।
स्त्रीलिंग हाँ एषा न्यायवादिनी
एषा न्यायवादिनी
हाँ so she is a
lawyer
lawyer then Sandeep Kapila
एषा न्यायवादिनी
हाँ
सा
सा
लेखनी
एषा
एषा अंकनी
so लेखनी is
पेन
pen ankani
पेंसिल
pencil both are strilinga words एषा
एषा कूपी
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 सा
सा दर्वी
ladle with you serve sambar dal everything no
दर्वी
darvi हाँ
What is koopy?
koopy is bottle
Bottle?
bottle
So darvi and chammash, what is the difference?
chamasah is spoon
And darvi is serving spoon, big.
serving yeah so ladle you see no then vedartham ramesh ramesh
महोदय
हाँ हाँ सा सम्मार्जनी सम्मार्जनी इरेजर एषा अंकनी सा सम्मार्जनी एषा अंकनी सा नर्तकी महोदय इट्स नॉट क्लियर नर्तकी एषा घटी क्लॉक हाँ विंध्या विंध्या प्लीज अनम्यूट नमस्ते नमस्ते एषा घटी
घटी
एषा हस्तघटी रिस्ट वॉच
एषा हस्तघटी
हस्त ह हस्तघटी
हस्तघटी
एषा जननी मदर
एषा जननी
what is this baby called baby is again pullinga shishuh
शिशुः
अस्तु गणेश महोदय हाँ सा भगिनी एषा
एषा नटी
नटी एक्ट्रेस
एषा विज्ञानिनी
विज्ञानिनी अस्तु रीटा महोदय
Can I ask one question? What do you
Yes.
mean by Vijnanini?
विज्ञानिनी female scientist
Scientist.
Thank you.
हाँ रीटा महोदय हाँ सा का
वैद्या
वैद्या एषा
एषा रंगवल्ली
एषा
एषा कर्मकरी
अस्तु सुकन्या महोदय
एषा कर्मकरी
एषा सा पिपीलिका
पिपीलिका
एषा न्यायवादिनी
फीमेल एडवोकेट हाँ
एषा
हाँ एषा
एषा बालिका
बालिका गर्ल हाँ
Girl.
कल्पना महोदय
एषा बालिका
हाँ हाँ
पाचिका
सा पाचिका
एषा वृद्धा
ओल्ड वुमन
सा गायिका सिंगर एषा नौका
अस्तु 1508 who is this I don't get the name of this person 15081947
That is our password. 1508.
oh. Okay Hina
Yeah, एषा नौका सा जीवनिका
Javanika Javanika is what do you mean by Javanika?
Curtains.
हाँ
एषा दिनदर्शिका एषा उत्पीठिका
हाँ सा उत्पीठिका टेबल
सा उत्पीठिका सा बालिका
एषा बालिका
एषा द्विचक्रिका
सा द्विचक्रिका अस्तु प्रेमा महोदय
ईशा स्थालिका ईशा नौका सॉरी सा गायिका एषा वृद्धा
प्रीति
आं महोदय एषा वृद्धा सा पाचिका सा शिक्षिका एषा बालिका
रीटा महोदय
एषा बालिका सा वैद्या एषा कुञ्चिका
शीला महोदय
एषा रंगवली एषा कर्मकरी एषा रंगवली एषा न्यायवादिनी सा पिपीलिका एषा कूपी
सुंदरी महोदय
नमस्ते एषा कूपी सा दर्वी सा सम्मार्जनी एषा अंकनी सा नर्तकी
अस्तु anybody else left out in this yes please
Santosh Sa Bhagini This is brother sister
just a minute Gayatri
yes
background some noise is there can you please use some earphones or something
yes Sa Bhagini
that means what ma'am this is sister
Bhagini sister Esha Nati is actress
एषा विज्ञानिनी
विज्ञानिनी विज्ञानिनी इत्युक्ते
फीमेल साइंटिस्ट
फीमेल साइंटिस्ट हा
एषा घटी
हा अस्तु अनु महोदय अनु महोदय
आं महोदय
हा एषा
एषा घटी एषा हस्तघटी सा नर्तकी सा दर्वी
दर्वी व्हाट इज दर्वी
दर्वी ladles
अस्तु हा एनीबडी एल्स लेफ्ट आउट
मैम आरती नमस्ते
नमस्ते हा एषा
एषा कूपी सा लेखनी एषा अंकनी सा पिपीलिका
पिपीलिका
सा पिपीलिका एषा रंगवल्ली सा वैद्या एषा बालिका
एनीबडी एल्स लेफ्ट आउट
आं महोदय
हाँ हाँ कार्तिक महोदय हाँ
एषा बालिका
सा शिक्षिका
सा पाचिका एषा वृद्धा सा गायिका एषा नौका
अस्तु महोदय हाँ एनीबडी एल्स
संतोष
संतोष
या
एषा स्थालिका सा जवनिका एषा दिनदर्शिका सा उत्पीठिका
अस्तु now you have understood how the pullinga shabdas work and how the strilinga shabdas work. Any questions regarding this? No. Okay. So we will go to the next topic. Next we will take up
Shishu and Balak. Okay.
Shishu, no, Balaka is a kid. Shishu is a baby.
धन्यवाद.
अस्तु. Now let us look at the Aksharani. Because without these Aksharas, it's not possible to learn any language. Like in English, we learn alphabets and then go to learn the words and then sentences, then paragraphs, like that, isn't it? So it is always good to learn the Aksharas and then just a minute. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Astu. Now I expect you people to answer in alphabetical order. Otherwise, every time I keep on calling names and it gets delayed. So Anu, Aarti, Azhagappan, Arun.
Mahoday.
You four people first do this. Can you read? Do you all know how to read Sanskrita?
Yes.
Akshara? Okay, then no problem.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please.
For all letters, right?
Yes.
A, A, I, U, U, Shru.
R.
Okay. R. Next one.
Actually, this I think this by mistake this has come. Have to change this. La and this special letter. This is seen only in Sanskritam.
L sound. Okay. A, I, O, Au. Aha.
Is called Anuswaraha. Aha is called Visarga. Astu. Next.
I'll go. I.
See, listen. E. Like that. You should show the difference between the Hrasva and Dirgha.
I. U. R. A. O.
No. A. I.
O.
Au.
Aha.
O. Au. Aha.
O. Au. Aha.
Here you should remember this is A and this is I.
I.
Next.
I'll go, ma'am. A, I, U, R.
This I'll change.
Okay. Ru. A, I, O, Au, Aha.
Next. Okay.
Namaste.
Namaste.
A, I, U, R, A, I, O, Au, Aha.
Aha.
Dhanyavad.
Now, if everybody is comfortable with this, we can go to the next letters.
Can you do the re sound and the l sound once again?
See, once again I'll repeat. A, I, U, R, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay. Now, this aha or is called Anuswaraha. Aha is called Visargaha. Okay. This actually it's only a dot. Can you see a dot here on top of this a?
Yes.
This can join any other letter and become a part of that. Like if you write it on, if you put the dot on ka, it becomes kam. If you put a dot on cha, it will become cham, like that. Okay. Astu. Now we have this Kavarga. These are called Vyanjanaksharas, consonants. You say consonants in English, they are Vyanjanani. Now let us call Manavi, Madhavi, then Ganesh Mahodaya, Kartik Mahodaya. Can you read?
Gayatri you left.
Gayatri. Yes. Okay. Gayatri. 5 people.
I think Manavi first, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know how to read.
Please.
Shall I try? She said.
Okay, try. No problem.
K, K, G, G, N.
Nga. The sound comes from your throat. Kanthyaha. They are called kanthya shabd because they come from the throat. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Nga sound should come. This is the fifth letter is a nasal sound.
Okay.
Can you please repeat?
K, K, G, G, N.
Nga. गायत्री महोदय.
ख ख घ घ ङ.
अस्तु. कार्तिक महोदय.
क ख ग घ ङ.
माधवी.
क ख ग घ न.
Nga should come. Nothing will suit that place. So you should be very particular that nga sound comes properly. Manavi.
K kha ga gha na.
Manavi.
K kha ga ga na.
Na nasti. Nga. Astu. Now let us call Nirmal, Divya, Kalpana, Hina.
Ma'am, ka vargane heloda? K, kha, ga, gha.
Na.
K, kha, ga, gha, nya.
Shall we go to Chavarga then? If you are all feeling okay, we can manage this.
Yeah.
Yes. Ch, cha, ja, jha, nya.
Ch, cha, ja, jha, nya.
Ch, ja, jha, nya.
Cha.
Cha.
Cha, cha, ja, za, nya.
Za nasti. Jha.
Cha, cha, ja, za.
No, za. No, not za. It is cha, cha, ja, jha, nya.
Ja. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya.
Next, we will call Sonal, Sukanya,
Yes.
Vindhya, Santosh, Preeti.
T, th, d, d, n.
Yeah. I'll go, ma'am. T,
Okay.
th, d, th, n.
Vindhya.
T, th, d, th, n.
Santosh. Okay. Next, Rita, Sheila, Vedartham, Ramesh.
Mahoday,
Sundar-
I'll go. I didn't-
Okay. Oh, okay.
Ta, da, da, na.
Next, Rita, Sheila, Vedartham, Ramesh, Sundari Mahoday.
I go.
Ha.
Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
I go. Tha, tha, da, dha, na.
th, th, ध, ध, na.
Then Sandeep Mahodaya, you also join.
th, the, the, na.
Astu. Anybody else left out?
Yes, Prema.
Prema. Astu.
Pa, fa, ba, ba, ma.
Here, pa, pha. It's not fa. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma.
Pa, pa, ba, ba, ma.
Now, can anybody tell me the difference between the swaraksharas and the vyanjanaksharas, vowels and consonants in Sanskritam?
We have to touch two parts of our body, of the mouth, to say the Vyanjana.
Okay.
And vowels we'll say without any touching.
One more difference is there.
I will tell. Vyanjanakshara comes from the Swarakshara.
They take the help of Swaraksharas. Swaraksharas, they are called Swayam Rajante iti Swaraha. They don't depend on other letters. Whereas Vyanjanaksharas, consonants, they depend on Swaraksharas. That we will see when we go further. And these are, till now, we did up to Pavarga. From Kavarga to Pavarga, they are all grouped. Like Kavarga, Kakha Gaghanga, Chavarga, Chacha Jajanya, Tavarga, Tatha Dadhana, like that. Whereas the last sixth group, that is Avargiya Vyanjanani, they are not grouped. They are ungrouped consonants. They are also consonants, but ungrouped. Each one is separate. We can't say this belongs to a group like that. Okay. Now, Aarti Mahodaya, can you read?
Ya, ra, la, va, sha, ha. What is that?
La.
La, sha, nya.
This la is not used regularly. This is specifically used in Vedas.
Okay.
Very rarely we come across this in our day-to-day usage. Okay.
This will be pronounced how? Or
la only.
Right?
La.
What is the difference between that ya, ra, la, that la and this one?
This is la. Okay. This is la. The tongue is touching the upper part. La, in la, tongue is touching the back of the teeth.
Yeah.
La and la. Can you make the difference? Make out the difference? La. Okay. Okay. So shall we go further?
1 minute.
Yes.
Is Nya come in Vedas or La come in Vedas?
La.
Okay.
Agnimile Purohitam. That statement comes in Vedas, no?
Okay.
That you can remember.
Because Nya, you have Jnanam, no?
Jnana, yes. Jnana. That this is regular. This we use so many times. So Jnani, Vijnanini. Just now we did know. Astu. Any doubts up to this?
एकं प्रश्नम् अस्ति महोदय.
वदतु महोदय.
संयुक्ताक्षरे श्र संयुक्ताक्षरमस्ति वा अथवा श र इति? संयुक्ताक्षरम्.
Ksha is not a samyuktakshara. It's a separate akshara. Only like tra there, ta and you put that ra. There tra and then
ra.
Such letters are samyuktaksharas. That we will do in the next class.
Ksha gya api samyuktaksharam nasti va?
No.
Dhanyawad.
Yes.
I have a doubt, like how to differentiate between like this sh. Like.
Sh. Just a minute. Then sh. When you utter sh, what are the parts you are using there?
Sh.
Sh. Sh. What are the parts you are using there? Sh, sa. You observe. You must observe. With each letter, you must observe what part is being used there. Sh, sa.
Mahoday, one doubt. Last of the ungrouped word letters is gya.
Jnani, we say, no?
Jnani.
Jnanodayam abhavat. So that is jna. Okay. So shall we continue with this? Because we have a long way to go. So
yeah.
Here, now how this swara and vyanjana come together, that is shown here. See, vyanjana actually this consonant is k, like that.
K plus a.
K plus a. K plus e. You need not say plus. You can say k yogaha a. Ka. K yogaha i ki. K yogaha u ku. Yes. Now again we will work in the same order. Manvi, Madhavi, Gayatri, Ganesh, Kartik. Yes.
Shall I start first?
Yes, please.
Ka yogaha ka. Ka yogaha i.
You should say k. It is not ka. Ka. If you say ka, it is ka already.
What shall I say?
K.
K.
See, can you see a stroke under k?
Yeah.
So this is very important. You must note the difference. K. Yogaha a.
Ka yogaha a. Ka. Ka yogaha i. Ki. Ka yogaha u. Ku. Ka yogaha ru. Kru. Ka yogaha a. Ka. Ka yogaha i. Ki. क योगः उ कु क योगः रु क्रू.
See this r, I by mistake I typed that r. This r in where in that slide. So this r should be there.
How to
see,
how it is differentiating than this ru? Can you just help us?
See here, Hrasva Rikara is to the left side. This is to the right side. All dirgha swaras are here. All Hrasva swaras are here.
Kru.
Kru.
Kru. K lu.
Shall I take one?
Yes.
योगः आ क योगः ई की योगः उ कु योगः कृ 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 योगः आ का योगः ई की योगः उ कु योगः रु कृ कृ योगः ऋ कृ.
Astu. Shall we go to the next one? Here.
Ka yoga e ke. Ka yoga
ka.
Ka.
Ko.
O ko. Ka yoga I kai. Ka yoga au kau. Ka yoga kam. Ka yoga aha kaha.
Astu. So next, Nirmal Divya Kalpana Hina.
Ka hello ka yogah ye ke ka yogah o ko ka yogah I kai ka yogah au kau.
See here, just a minute. You are saying ka. You should say k.
Ku. Ku yogah kam. Ku yogah aha kaha.
Yes. Here.
Ka.
Ka, ki, ku, kr,
No. See here, that sound also should come along with k.
Klr. K, ku, kau, kam, kh.
I'll go. Kha, ki, ku, kri, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha.
Ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, tru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha.
Then, yes, please.
Ka, ka, ki, ku.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Are you saying kaka? Are you reading kaka kiki or
Kaka kiki? Kaka kiki.
Okay, because I wanted to make sure.
Ka, का, की, कु, क्रू, ट्रू, के, कई, को, कौ, कम, कह.
Okay. We'll go to the next one. Here.
I should speak?
Next person.
Okay.
Yes, please. Who is next?
अहं वदामि वा?
वदतु महोदय.
ग गा गि गी गु गु ग्र ग्रू ग्र गे गै गो गौ गम गः.
अस्तु. नेक्स्ट.
अहं वदामि महोदय. ग ग गि गि गु गु ग्रु ग्रू ग्रू गे गे
गे गै
गो गौ गम गह.
See here, like in Kannada or Telugu or Tamil, it is not ge ge. It is gai. Gai ge gai ge gau. Ge gai go gau.
Go go.
Ge gai go gau. That you should remember, everybody. Ke kai ko kau. Ke kai ko kau. Ge gai go gau. Like that. You should remember. Next, Vindhya, did you say?
No. Ga, okay. Ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gru, 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 ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha.
Next, Preeti Mahodaya. Did you say? Take this gha, Mahapranakshara. Gha.
Gha, tha, ghi, ghi, gu, gu, ghu, ghr, 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 ghe, ghai, gho, ghau, gam, gaha.
Next, Rita.
Ga, gi, gu, gri, gre, ge, gai, go, gau, gang, gah.
Okay. Then last one, this Ngangani. Vedartham Ramesh, can you do this?
No.
It is not no. It is nga. Should come. Just a minute. Everybody, please don't. When I asked Vedartham Ramesh Mahodaya, please, others please mute. Otherwise, there will be only noise. See. Nga, ni, ngung, ngr, ngr, nge, ngai, ngo, ngau, ngam, ngaha.
अस्तु महोदय.
Sundari Mahoday.
Nga, nga, ni, ni, ngu, ngu, gru, ngu,
Ngru.
guru,
Ngru.
guru, guru,
Ngru.
guru,
No, ga sound should not come there. Ngru. Nasal
Guru.
sound should come. Ngru.
guru, ge,
Nge.
ngai,
Nge.
nge, ngai, ngo, ngau, gam, ngaha,
Ngam. Ngaha.
ngaha.
Can I try, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Nga, nga, ni, ni, ngu, ngu, ngr, ngr,
Here, ngr, ngr.
ngru, ngre, nge, ngai, ngo, ngau, ngang, ngaha.
Astu. Next, Alagappan Mahodaya, you people didn't participate. Anu, Aarti, Alagappan Mahodaya, Arun Mahodaya.
Shall I go, ma'am?
Yes.
Chat, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu.
I hear Mahapranam there. First is Alpa Pranam. Means you are not stressing too much. Cha, cha. Very light. Very light.
Chi, chu, chu, chru, 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 che, chay, cho, chow, cham, chaha.
नमस्ते जी.
Namaste.
cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, tru, tru, chru, che, chai, cho,
chow,
cham, chah. धन्यवाद.
Anu Mahoday.
Chi, chi, chu, chu, che, tru, tru, che, chai, cho, chow, chang, chah.
Anybody else is left out?
Aarti.
Astu.
Cha, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, shru, shru, slu, che, chai, cho, chow, cham, chah.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Shall I, ma'am?
Deepti.
Okay.
Yes, Deepti, I can't hear. No, we have moved to the next slide. Astu. Next.
Santosh.
Santosh.
Ja, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, jru, jru, jlu, je, je, ju, ja, jam, jah.
Next. I think everybody covered, no?
No, ma'am, I'm left.
Oh, sorry.
I'm left out.
Shamyatam. Please.
Nya,
nya. Very good. That's what I was planning to suggest.
Ni, ni, nu, nu, nr, nr, ne, nai, no, now, nam, naha.
Here, the sound I hear is ne, nai, no, now, nam, naha. It's not na, nakaram. It is nya. Okay?
Nya.
Nya, nya, ni, ni, nyu, nyu, ngir, ngir, ngr, nye, nyai, ngo, ngau, ngam, ngaha. So that nasal sound should come, and you cannot say na or na here. Okay, na has a particular place, and there only it will be used. With that group only it will be used. Astu va? So the same way, I'll share these slides. Same way, ta tha da dha na, everything is prepared here. We will share this in that Google group. Now, do you have any questions regarding whatever we did today, or about the previous class?
So we wanted to know any homework specifically we have received?
Yeah, till now no homework was given, but from today onwards you will be getting a little bit of homework. You have to work.
Okay, so we have these slides in the sharing already, so we can see.
Yes.
So but that Google Classroom is not working. We are not able to access.
No, it's I think it's not activated yet. It will be done today.
Okay.
And how to go about this Google Classroom, that do you have idea, or should I explain?
Please explain, ma'am.
Okay. What you have to go?
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
Ma'am, I missed the previous class. Only from today I have joined. Is there any class happened earlier, ma'am, which I missed?
No.
So that I would catch up.
No, you have not missed much. Only in the last class we did Pullinga Shabdas and Bhavataha Namakim, Bhavatyaha Namakim. Those things were done. Actually, I wanted to revise that also once. Today we will do this one. Mama Matrabhasha, mother tongue. Mama Matrabhasha, Tamil. Azhagappan Mahodaya, Bhavataha Matrabhasha ka?
Mama Matrubhasha Tamil.
You ask Anu Mahodaye, Bhavatyaha Matrubhasha ka? Anu Mahodaye, like that you have to ask.
Anu Mahodaye. Mama Matrubhasha. Mama Matrubhasha ka?
No. Mama Matrubhasha is my mother tongue.
Bhavatyaha Matrubhasha ka?
Mama Matrubhasha Telugu. Bhavataha Matrubhasha.
You ask the next person, not Azhagappan. You have to ask Aarti Mahodaya. You can ask Aarti Mahodaya.
Aarti Mahodaya. Bhavatyaha Matrubhasha ka?
Mama Matrubhasha Tamil.
Ask Arun Mahodaya.
Arun Mahodaya. Bhavataha Matrubhasha ka?
Matrubhasha Tamil.
Ask Divya.
Divya Mahodaya. Bhavatyaga Matrubhasha ka?
Bhavatyaha, that Visargam should be heard well. Bhavatyaha.
Mama Matrubhasha Kannada.
You ask Ganesh Mahodaya.
Ganesh Mahodaya. Bhavataha Matrubhasha ka?
Mama Matrubhasha Marathi. Bhavataha Matrubhasha.
No. You ask the next person. You can ask Kartik Mahodaya.
Kartika Mahodaya. Bhavataha Matrubhasha ka?
धन्यवादः गणेश महोदयः मम मातृभाषा कन्नडा कं पृच्छामि
विन्ध्यां पृच्छतु।
विद्या विद्या महोदय भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा कन्नडा।
You ask Ami महोदय अस्ति। विन्ध्या, you can ask Ami.
अमी महोदय
भवत्याः
मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा कच्छी। सुकन्या महोदया भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा मलयाळम।
You can ask Nirmal.
भवतः मातृभाषा का?
Whom are you asking? There are so many people here. You are asking some particular person, no?
Sorry, Nirmal महोदय। भवतः मातृभाषा का?
धन्यवाद सुकन्या। मम मातृभाषा राजस्थानी। सोनल महोदय भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा राजस्थानी।
संदीप महोदय।
संदीप महोदय भवतः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा हिंदी।
आस्क माधवी।
माधवी महोदय भवत्या मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा तेलुगु।
आस्क प्रीति।
प्रीति महोदय भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा तमिळ्।
आस्क कल्पना।
कल्पना महोदय भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा तमिळ्।
सुंदरी महोदय।
सुंदरी महोदय भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
धन्यवादः। मम मातृभाषा तमिळ्।
You can ask गायत्री।
गायत्री महोदये भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा तमिळ्।
आस्क हीना।
हीना महोदये भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
हीना महोदय।
मम मातृभाषा कच्छी गुजराती।
You can ask वेदार्थम रमेश।
महोदय रमेश भवतः मातृभाषा का?
धन्यवाद महोदय। मम मातृभाषा तेलुगु।
प्रेमा।
भवत्याः मातृभाषा का? प्रेमा महोदय।
मम मातृभाषा तेलुगु।
Can ask शीला। शीला महोदय।
मम
भवत्याः
मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा गुजराती।
मानवी।
महोदय मानवी भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मानवी महोदय। Okay, I think she's not there. Anybody left out?
Santosh.
Santosh. Mahodaye, you can ask Santosh Mahodaye. संतोष महोदये भवत्याः मातृभाषा का?
मम मातृभाषा हिंदी।
हिंदी। You can ask somebody else, anybody you choose to. Bhavatah or Bhavatyah Matrubhasha ka. Please ask.
सुंदरी महोदय भवता मातृभाषा का
Sundari Mahodaye Bhavatyah, because you are referring to a female, so it should be Bhavatyah. If you are referring to a male, it will be Bhavatah.
भवत्या मातृभाषा का
Mama Matrubhasha Tamil. Haripriya ji, Bhavatyaha Matrubhasha ka.
Mama Matrubhasha Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Sarve Bharatiya Bhasha.
Mama Matrubhasha Sanskritam.
Samyak. So, what we learned in the previous class was Bhavatah Nama Kim. Bhavatyah Nama Kim. Today we have learned Bhavatah Matrubhasha ka. Bhavatyah Matrubhasha ka. Along with that, we learned Pullinga Shabdas in the previous class. Today we have learned Strilinga Shabdas and also Aksharani, Gunita Aksharani. Okay. Now,
when to differentiate between Kim and Ka in question?
Yes, that's a good question. Kim, because Nama is Napumsakalinga Shabda, so Kim will come. Matrubhasha, Bhasha is Strilinga Shabda. That's why Bhasha ka. Okay. If you say Bhavan kaha, who are you?
Kaha, is it?
Kaha.
Masculine will be kaha.
Masculine will be kaha. Bhavan kaha. Aham shikshakaha, aham pachakaha, aham vaidyaha, like that you will say. If it is a lady, she will say aham vaidya, bhavati ka. That we will do in the next class. Today it will become too much. About this, you have to go to Google Drive and let me share. Please mute. In Google Drive, you have to click on Sanskritam. Then your Sasyam 3, where is this? Sasyam 3. Here, can you see the screen? No. Okay. Okay. Now, let me
share.
Now, in Google, you go to Google Drive. There, you click on this Sanskritam folder. Search for Sasyam. Sasyam 3 class notes. Okay, your material would be available here. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So morning session Zoom link is given here, and then here you can see this Google group and classroom. This is for homework submission, this classroom. And here they have given how to submit homework in here. If you go to this helpers, here they will instruct you how to submit your homework. Go to this, click on this and understand, and then you can do. And class resources, whatever you need, that will be given there. And for extra practice, you have some books here. Those books you can work on them, and your homework will be from those books. Okay, clear? Would you like to
The
Yes,
reference
I
books,
want.
do we have the e-copy of that, soft copy of that?
Which one?
The reference books.
Yeah, it will be available there.
So from where we will get this?
You from that Sanskritam, go to your Google Drive. There, click on that Sanskritam folder. In that, you will be given link to so many those textbooks, whatever they have used, and your classroom material, and then you, how to submit your homework, every instruction, everything would be there. And if you still have any doubts regarding the topics covered in the class, or regarding any other problem, you can ask in that Google group. Please don't use WhatsApp for asking questions, because Google group is better way of so your classmates also would be able to help you if anybody is having any problem.
Just one doubt. Like we learned Pullingi, Strilingi. Do we have Napusaklingi as well, like where we cannot classify, or no?
Napumsakalingam is also there. In Sanskritam, Napumsakalingam is also there. In Hindi, you don't. You have only two. I think only two lingas are there, no? In Hindi.
No.
You don't have Napumsakalingam in Hindi.
You don't have one? Okay.
We have. Hindi has Napumsakalingam.
It has.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have.
Kake ki rare ni.
Oh, okay. That's so shall we wind up, or do you have any other questions?
No questions. Thank you.
Okay. Astu. Shanti mantrena sthagayamah.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
Today I went before the session 2 Zoom link I went. So that's why I got late today.
Oh, okay. You can watch this. Anyhow, this class has been recorded, and you can watch this later. Yes. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Astu. Dhanyavadaha.